Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabu Tinku Foodies. Today we are going to make a Paneer Veggie wrap. It's packed with protein and it's loaded with the goodness of veggies. And it's a perfect, healthy and tasty meal for everyone, especially for people who are trying to include more protein in their diet. And I'm also going to make a delicious sweet and tangy yogurt dip which pairs perfectly with this wrap. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll heat up some oil in a pan on a medium heat. Now we'll add a medium-sized chopped onion and we'll saute it for a few minutes till the onion turns brown. Now we'll add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes and we'll saute it for a few more minutes till the tomatoes are soft. Now we'll add in the spices. In goes turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, some coriander powder and salt. Now we'll mix it well and saute for a few more minutes till all the masalas are nicely combined. And it's time to add the veggies. So here I'm adding bell peppers, but you can add any veggies of your choice. Like sometimes I like to add carrots, green beans, peas or spinach. And now we'll give it a good mix. Cover it and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes till the veggies become soft and tender. The veggies are done and now we'll add in the paneer. Give it a good mix, cover it and let it cook for 2 more minutes. The paneer veggie filling is almost ready and now all we need to do is add some freshly chopped coriander. The filling is ready and now let's make the yogurt dip. Into a blender we'll add some thick yogurt, 1 medjool date or any other variety of your choice, some lemon juice, some cashew nuts, a clove of garlic, some smoked paprika which is optional, some red chili powder, and some salt. Now we'll blend it till it's nice and smooth. And the yogurt dip is ready. Now we'll heat up some tortillas. If you don't have tortilla, you can use chapati, paratha, naan or any other bread of your choice. And it's time to assemble the wrap. This wrap tastes amazing. It's very filling and nutritious. You can have it as a lunch or dinner or make it for breakfast. Just pair it with a chai or coffee and enjoy. So if you like such healthy and tasty recipes, make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you next time.